Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Today I want to talk to you about a great piece of gear. It's this right here. It's the Everyday Ankle Trauma Kit, and it's coming to us from Wild Hedgehog Tactical. Now I've checked out, I think probably 3 of their other medical kits, and what I can tell you is that across the board, I'm very impressed. Good quality gear, well assembled, and they're very serious about giving you the tools that you need to help yourself, your family, your friends, or even just a stranger if you come across an emergency situation. Now, as I continue personally to learn and grow more in this tactical mindset and being prepared for everyday life, whether it's, in the city or it's in the woods, I think what I'm seeing for a lot of people is that medical training and medical supplies are really underrated. People love a cool fire steel, a cool flashlight, a cool survival knife. Now, don't get me wrong, having those tools and those supplies, especially if you're in the backcountry, in the wilderness a lot, yeah, that's awesome. But having good medical supplies and good training with those medical supplies is a huge, huge deal. So I love this concept. This is something that you can literally put around your ankle. You can put a pair of pants on and then cover it up, put a pair of jeans on, cover it up. I actually was wearing this around my house with a pair of sweatpants on, and then at one point I said to my daughter, hey, check this out. And I lifted up my sweatpants around my ankle just to show her, and she was like, what the heck is that? So I explained it to her. I just wanted to see if she would notice like some big clunky thing, which she didn't. It was just there for, hours as I was just kind of walking around the house. So having a good medical kit, huge deal. They sell a wide variety of them. Now this one appeals to me because I can wear it every day without taking up extra pocket space. If I'm sitting down, I don't like to have things in my back pockets. So that means I would always be taking a small medical kit out. This I can wear around my ankle all day long, not have any issues, and just be ready if something goes down. All right, so what I'm gonna do is re-angle the camera, and then we're gonna take a look at what actually is in this kit, and I'll also be rolling in some footage so you can see what it looks like when I have it on, with a pair of pants on, so you can see that it's not making a big print, it's not super noticeable, but yet, having something like this could be a huge win for you just in everyday life. All right, I'll take everything out in a minute, but let me just give you the rundown to tell you what's actually in the kit. So for bleeding control, we have a tourniquet, we have a 4-inch compression bandage, and we have a Celox or Celox hemostatic gauze, which is 3 inches by 5 feet. In relation to your airway, we have a Hyphen-vented compact chest seal twin pack. As far as miscellaneous items, we have 5.5-inch trauma shears and 1 XL pair of bear claw gloves in tan. It does also come with a micro first aid kit, so a CPR face shield, steri wipes, those are for wound closures, 2 by 3-inch bandage, you have 2 of those. We have a 1 by 3-inch bandage, you have 4 of those. You have a bacitracin gel pack, that's an antibiotic. You have an iodine wipe and an alcohol wipe as well. Here's a quick look at the gear out of the ankle kit, and now I'm going to move this out of the way and show you what the actual physical material and makeup of the ankle kit is. So you're looking at the Ranger green color. It also comes in black coyote and what they're calling manatee gray. Now this component right here, this is all made in the USA. Some of the other components that you put in are both USA made and also made overseas as well. You can see hook and loop field here as well. And then you have this, which is an extender. Let me just flip this over. So if you got a really big pair of boots on, you can add this in, or if not, then you can just wrap this around your ankle and go like that. You can certainly take that off, and then it'll go around your ankle like that. So let me roll in some footage here so you can see what it actually looks like when I'm wearing it around my ankle. Again, like I said before, I was wearing this in my house with a pair of sweatpants on, and they were actually cuffed sweatpants, so they had the elastic around the ankle, which would make you think it would stand out a lot more because it's not just like a loose ankle, and it was unnoticeable by my daughter. She didn't say like, oh yeah, I saw that something was weird when I showed her my ankle. She had no clue that it was there. I think bottom line, there's just a ton of wins to this. Between, if you don't want to buy this one, that's cool. But I would encourage you, check out Wild Hedgehog Tactical and buy one of their medical kits, one of their pocket kits. I love that this kit has a full range of gear, from your everyday just kind of cuts and scrapes up to, obviously much more serious gear for more serious situations, tourniquets, etc. This is something that I'm working into my everyday carry gear. So whether this is around my ankle or I've got something, in my back pocket or a cargo pocket, that's one of their smaller medical kits. I just want to have that gear on me because life happens, and it's important to have, particularly like I said before, medical gear, even more so than I think some of the other things we can get intrigued by or think are really cool. But if you look at the statistics, we're more likely to come across someone who's got serious bleeding than we're going to need, a fire steel when we live close to the city or whatever the case might be. So medical. I want to really encourage you guys to check out what these guys have to offer. Now your price point for this is $139.99. On their website, whtactical.com, they've got supplies and gear from like $12 up to $300. So, some basic supplies up to a family medical kit that you could keep in your car, keep in your house, keep in the office for very serious situations. $139.99 for this. You can get just the actual ankle wrap with none of the supplies inside for around 55 bucks. So if you want to get that and then build it yourself, you can do that as well. What I can tell you is that make an investment now, and then it's going to be something that you'll have for a long time. A lot of this stuff you can keep for a long time. It's not like it's going to expire next week. You do want to double check on things, on all your medical supplies, to make sure that things haven't reached their expiration date. But shears, as long as you take good care of them, should last you pretty much years and years and years. So once again, I want to emphasize medical. Get some training, get some gear, know what you're doing so you can help people out. And Wild Hedgehog Tactical, I have gotten nothing but positive interactions with them, nothing but good gear from them. Definitely getting a thumbs up from Everyday Tactical Vids. So I want to encourage you to check out their website. I've got links down below to this kit and other gear over on their website. Alright guys, thanks as always for watching the videos. I really mean that too. I love what I get to do with Everyday Tactical Vids. I love the community, the comments, the engagement, both here and other social media outlets. So let's keep that going. If you want to share this video, give it a thumbs up. That'd be awesome as well. I invite you to subscribe if you haven't done that. Click that little red subscribe button. And then I want to let you know we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr as well. And we're also on Vero these days as well. So yeah, check back off and we got more videos coming soon. Take care.